Hello investors, SMCI, as you probably know, has declined in recent days over 30% in just one day. And back then, that day when the price went to $20, I said buy because the price will go up. It will rebound. I made several videos. Here you can watch them. 1, 2, 3, 4. All of them I said buy SMCI because it will go up. And so far, this is the second call. The fifth video I'm making. And as you can see, so far, the price has increased 26%. In the last, from March 20th to April 13th. And pre-market, pay attention to this pre-market, another increase of 3.4%. So I'm making again this video to tell you that the price will go easily to over $30. Easily. If you took advantage when I made my past videos here on March 20th, exactly when the decline happened, if you listen to me and bought this company, you would have made quite a nice profit in a few weeks. And I said in my video that in a few weeks, the price will rebound, will go back to $30 in a few weeks. And look at this. It happened. Almost happened. So far, 26, 27, another $3. So my prediction will come true 100%. Still, if you want to take advantage, if you trade in the short term, yes, you can do it. Market cap still cheap, 15 billion. And price to earnings 19. And by the way, this is not all. I said that in a few weeks, the price will go to $40. But in the long term, if you are willing to wait a few years, your return from this level can be a double. From this level, the price can go from $20 to $40 easily, $50, something like this. Easily, so you can have a double from current market cap 15 billion. In fact, all close to 16 billion. The market cap can go to over or close to 40 billion. That happens because they still expect a lot of growth ahead. Revenue to double from 21 billion to 40 billion. And if they maintain, of course, their profit margins, if they make, let's say, more than 1 billion, 2 billion, if they make 2 billion and they continue the growth rate, easily in market cap 40 billion. So, if you like this company, the way they do it, and by the way, maybe you are afraid because the price went down, probably some managers were caught selling banned chips to China. Of course, they resigned, but I don't see it as a problem in the long term. That thing. Yes, the worst case scenario would have been a fine to SMCI, but that hasn't happened so far, and I don't think it will happen. So yes, you can read the news, you get panicked, some investors get panicked, others don't want to deal with this company because they had also some problems in the past with their filings, delays, so on. But the way I see it, when you see the revenue going up so much, so high, look at this. Growth rate over 40%, and again, this revenue to double, there is no doubt that the price will follow. Especially if they report increasing their profits from 1 billion. If they make 2 billion, they are able to make 2 billion more than a double. But at least 1 billion and a half, that will be great for you. You can have a double. So it's up to you if you want to take advantage of this company, SMCI, super microcomputer. Yes, the price can also reach this level only if the AI demand continues over a longer period. You can reach again $100. But let's be realistic, conservative, take a margin of safety. Price $40, $50 can, in the long term, can easily go to this level. To rebound, go back to this level. So it's up to you if you want to take advantage of this company. Of course, if you want something better, much better than this company, SMCI, super microcomputer, then I can help you. Because I'm helping a lot of people around the world. How? Simple. I give them access to my portfolio. Let me show you exactly how I do it. It takes a little bit to load all these documents because here I have a lot of analysis, short notes. For the other companies, I have longer notes, and the more you add, it takes a lot of time to load a document like this. Let's hope for a fast loading. Okay, let's pause a little bit the video and come back. Oh, look at this. So membership, how I can help you. Simply go to my profile, press join, scroll down. First you see Gladiator, but you scroll down and here you have Titan Investor. And with this membership, I help people around the world to make huge profits. You've seen, in a few weeks, SMCI profit over 25%. And right now in my portfolio, you have the best opportunity of your life. I mean, you can make a double depending on what means for you an opportunity. You can make a double this year with low risk, high reward. Because right now, because of this Iran war, also AI fears, we have quite cheap prices. And I took advantage. And prices started to go up. They are still cheap and you can get in. If you join later, you will see again my performance. But you don't want that. You want profits. To have profits, buy low and sell high. And here in my portfolio, you also can see my past record. Proof, compound annual growth rate, 30% over the last 4 years. I also have a video where I share my brokerage account. I show this performance over 30%. And now with a double in my portfolio that I expect this year, this return will be even higher. And if that happens, of course, I'll also double the prices for new Titan members. Current members, they maintain the subscription. They will have the same prices for a long period of time. Plus, you get another valuable, let's say, asset. And that is my guidance. Real-time support 24/7. In case you don't know what to do, how to invest, how to take advantage of those cheap companies, how to position yourself, here you have my support. And I help you to guide you to make the right purchases. And in the long term, to have more than a double. Of course, with these investments that I have in my portfolio, more than a double in the long term, 3 to 5 years.